Welcome back to TenTroveFacts. Artificial intelligence is no longer the future, it's our present. From writing, designing, and coding to creating videos and music, AI tools have become a part of our daily lives. Today, we're exploring the top 10 most used AI tools all over the world, the ones revolutionizing how humans work, create, and think. Number 1. ChatGPT by OpenAI, the king of AI chatbots. ChatGPT can write, explain, code, and even chat like a human. With over 180 million users worldwide, it's the go-to tool for students, professionals, and creators alike. Number 2. Google Gemini, formerly Bard. Gemini brings Google's power to AI, connecting search, creativity, and real-time information. It's ideal for research and fact-checking on the fly. Number 3. Midjourney, an artist's dream. Midjourney creates stunning, realistic, and creative images from simple text prompts. Designers, marketers, and storytellers love it for its magical visuals. Number 4. Canva Magic Studio. Canva's AI suite helps anyone design logos, videos, or posts in seconds. From Magic Write to Magic Resize, it's a complete design assistant for non-designers. Number 5. Microsoft Copilot. Integrated into Office tools like Word and Excel, Copilot helps with writing, data analysis, and even PowerPoint design, saving hours of work every day. Number 6. Adobe Firefly. Firefly uses AI to generate and edit images seamlessly inside Photoshop. From removing objects to creating new scenes, it's a game changer for digital artists. Number 7. Runway ML. A favorite among video editors, Runway's AI can remove backgrounds, generate scenes, and even make full videos from text prompts. Number 8. Grammarly Geo. Beyond spelling checks, Grammarly Geo rewrites sentences, improves tone, and helps you sound more confident and professional in your writing. Number 9. Notion AI. Perfect for productivity lovers. Notion AI summarizes notes, writes reports, and organizes tasks, making it the ultimate digital workspace assistant. Number 10. Synthesia. AI video creation made easy. Synthesia turns text into talking videos using realistic AI avatars, widely used for education, marketing, and corporate training. From ChatGPT's conversations to Midjourney's art and Copilot's productivity, these tools show how AI is shaping our world, smarter, faster, and more creative than ever before. Which AI tool do you use the most?